So hello guys, now we reach to this where we have our player. Let it play first. So now we reach to the position where we have our player with the tiles are generated automatically and also deleted, and we have our collision detection and with the uh, now the thing is remaining is about why I am playing the game. It's about the user interfaces. So think about why I am playing the game. At first, like if I just hit on and play game. So the first question is about like I am okay. I am playing. Okay, it's good. I am seeing the environment. I am just running. Now I just hit an obstacle. But what is the motivation behind playing again game this game again? There should be something that makes me playing game again and again. There should be some criteria. Okay, so we don't have any particular this criteria to engage our player to play again and again. So in this game like endless runner, the criteria can be the time, how much time it can travel in your world. Okay, so you have created your own world and tell other players to, hey, come on and test about how much long you can survive in my world. Okay, so in this game we require our time. Okay, so we are calculating how long the player is playing the game. So for this we require some user interface. We want to show them the time. Okay, so let's begin with the user interfaces. So let's begin. Right click on your hierarchy and go ahead and create a UI. Go in the UI, user interfaces. Go ahead and create a image. Okay, so you will got a canvas. Okay, and an event system. Event system actually consists of the like all interactables and all the things that that can invoke in the system surrounding. Like if I press a button, then then the event system will call up, hey, the user has placed press a button. Okay, so this is a canvas. The canvas is the place where all things, the UI elements will be rendered, and this particular have a layers. Okay, so the entire game is full of the layers. Okay, so the first most layer the user sees about the UI layer. It is the, you can see this particular white background. This is the entire canvas of our. Okay, so now there is many properties of the canvas. Canvas is React transform. React, it means it has a rectangular property like position x, y, z, and width and height. Okay, so just go in the canvas and in the canvas scaler UI scale mode, change it to scale with screen size. Okay, now it will be changed with according to our screen size. Right now I have in my game is the screen size is 1920 by 780, or you can use standalone, or if you want you can create your own. Just add some resolutions there and add a name, then hit on ok and you will gonna create. Okay, so I am using my game, it is 21290 by 1080. Okay, cool. So now we have our image with it. Now we can't see image. Okay, so because just do a we go to this image, click on the image in the inspector, the three dots, and reset. You would be seeing the image in right in the center. Okay, so I want this image to display a score. Okay, something. Okay, so just go ahead and you can see, click on this particular while image is on selected, and click on this particular icon. You can see there are anchors, which is the position of this image can be set out. I want it to be a top. Okay, and in the center most, so this is the one. Okay, so I hit on the particular this, then I make it 0. Okay, not 0, 125. Okay, minus 125. Oh, sorry, minus 50. Okay, yeah. So I have make it my this. Now I want to add as image over this. Okay, so hit on this particular icon and this one score. Okay, I want to make it width to be 200. I guess 250 is fine, and decrease down the hits height a little bit. Okay, now it's look much better. So I will name it as a score panel. Score panel. Okay, in the score panel now I want to have some text. Okay, something text to be displayed in the Unity. How we create this? Just hit on the canvas and go to the UI, click on the right click on the canvas, UI, and you have text. Okay, and just wait for a sec to it to become. Okay, now we have our text area. Okay, so we have our text there. Okay, so you can see this particular text, it is right there. Okay, but I want it to be up there. Okay, so just click on the text, press F to focus, F. Okay, and make it upward. Go ahead and make it upward. Okay, so now I want to change my color so that I could see it. Okay, click on the text. You can see there is many properties text have. Okay, so but right now let's go ahead and create this color. I am clicking on the color and make it to the white. Okay, okay, now I can see this particular text over here. Okay, you have some cool fonts. Okay, I have provided you. Select on the ethnocentric and then hit on this. You have, now I want to increase its size to a little bit more, font size to 13, and this particular tell us our alignment. I want to be align at center, and so this will be displaying our text. Okay, cool. So this is we our displaying our text. So let's go ahead and, okay, this is about the text area. Now I want to rename it and name it score text. Cool. So this way we have set up our UI, first our UI, which will be displaying our score there. Okay. So in the next video, in the next part, we will be seeing about the how to change this, how to change the score. Okay, as we are traveling with the code. Okay. So